Hey everyone! Quick question before we start. If you could design the perfect Sunday, what would it look like?
Would it include sleeping until noon?
Of course. It's your perfect Sunday.
Then I'm already interested.
Maybe your perfect Sunday is full of adventure. Maybe it's a lazy day at home. Or maybe it's somewhere in between.
Today we're talking about our perfect Sundays and sharing simple English you can use when talking about your weekends.
So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's chat. Hello and welcome to TotallyTalk English. I'm Grace.
And I'm Nick.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you're learning English, don't worry. We're going to keep everything simple, natural, and easy to follow.
That's right. Imagine you're sitting with two friends having a relaxed conversation.
Because that's exactly what we're doing today.
Our topic is My Perfect Sunday.
Sundays are special. For many people, it's a day to rest, spend time with family, enjoy hobbies, or prepare for a new week.
And the funny thing is that everyone's perfect Sunday looks different.
Very different. Some people love quiet mornings.
And some people start the day with loud music and lots of energy.
Neither is wrong. It's all about what makes you happy.
Nick, what does a perfect Sunday look like for you?
My perfect Sunday starts with no alarm clock.
That's already a good start.
During the week, I wake up early. So on Sunday, I like waking up naturally.
Same here. There is something wonderful about opening your eyes and realizing you don't have to rush anywhere.
Exactly. No meetings. No deadlines. No hurry.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I stretch a little and make a big breakfast.
A big breakfast?
Yes. During the week, I usually eat quickly. But on Sunday, I take my time.
What would be on your plate?
Maybe eggs, toast, fruit, and a nice cup of coffee.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
My perfect Sunday starts quietly. I like opening the curtains and letting sunlight into the room.
That's very peaceful.
Then I make a warm drink and sit near the window for a few minutes.
Just relaxing?
Yes. No phone. No social media. Just enjoying the morning.
That's actually a great idea.
Sometimes we start checking our phones immediately after waking up.
Guilty.
Me too sometimes.
I think many listeners can relate to that.
A few months ago, I had a very busy week.
One of those weeks where every day feels long.
Exactly. By Sunday, I was exhausted.
So what did you do?
I decided not to make any big plans. I stayed home, read a book, and watched the rain outside.
That sounds like a perfect reset.
It really was. By the evening, I felt calm and refreshed.
Sometimes the best Sundays are the simplest ones.
I agree.
I remember one Sunday when I planned to be productive.
Uh-oh.
I made a long to-do list.
Let me guess. You completed everything?
Not even close.
That's what I expected.
Instead, I spent most of the day talking with friends, eating good food, and taking a long walk.
And were you disappointed?
At first, yes. But later I realized I had a great day.
Sometimes rest is productive too.
That's an important lesson.
Let's learn a few useful words from today's conversation.
First word, relax.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example, I like to relax on Sunday afternoons.
Next word, routine.
A routine is something you do regularly.
Example, reading in the morning is part of my Sunday routine.
Another useful word is refresh.
When something refreshes you, it gives you new energy.
Example, a short walk can refresh your mind.
And one more word, peaceful.
Peaceful means calm, quiet, and relaxing.
Example, the park was peaceful early in the morning.
Grace, do you prefer spending Sundays indoors or outdoors?
A little of both.
That's a safe answer.
Maybe. I enjoy staying home in the morning and going outside later.
Where would you go?
Maybe a park, a bookstore, or a cafe.
A bookstore sounds perfect.
I love walking through rows of books.
Even when you don't buy anything?
Especially when I don't buy anything.
That's impressive self-control.
Thank you.
I usually enjoy a long walk on Sundays.
Walking is underrated.
It really is. You can think, relax, and notice things around you.
And it's free.
My favorite price.
Let's practice a simple conversation.
Listen carefully and then try repeating it later.
Nick, what did you do on Sunday?
I had a relaxing day.
Really? What did you do?
I had breakfast with my family, went for a walk, and watched a movie.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I read a book, visited a cafe, and spent some time planning my week.
Sounds like a great Sunday.
Thanks. Let's do a short role play.
Imagine we're co-workers talking on Monday morning.
Ready?
Ready.
Good morning, Nick. How was your Sunday?
It was great. I slept a little longer than usual and then met some friends for lunch.
Nice. Did you do anything else?
Yes, I went to a park and enjoyed the beautiful weather.
Sounds wonderful. I stayed home most of the day.
Really?
Yes. I cooked a nice meal, watched a movie, and relaxed.
Sometimes that's the perfect way to spend a Sunday.
I agree.
Listeners, you can practice this conversation with a friend or even by yourself.
Let's quickly review today's key ideas.
A perfect Sunday can be different for everyone.
Some people enjoy relaxing at home.
Others enjoy going out and exploring.
We learned words like relax, routine, refresh, and peaceful.
And we practiced talking about weekend activities in simple English.
Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments.
What does your perfect Sunday look like?
Do you sleep late?
Read books?
Spend time with family?
Go for a walk?
We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you learn English in a natural and enjoyable way.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep practicing a little every day.
We'll be back with another fun conversation soon.
Until next time.
Take care.
And have a wonderful Sunday.
Bye everyone.